Guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos, Nigeria. So guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a 1 year plus review of the Nokia 8.3 5G phone. Yes, I know I was supposed to have done this review over 2 months back, but sadly I just kept on procrastinating. But I'm finally doing this updated review of the Nokia 8.3 5G phone. Yes, I got this phone sometime in November 2020. Yeah, in November 2020. So recently I got a comment on YouTube, and I think I saw a comment under my old video of when I reviewed this phone, and the person was asking me, oh, that I think he or she wanted to buy this phone. Person wanted to get my opinion and see if this phone is actually something they should invest their money in, if it's worth it and all of that. So I'm gonna be just delving into the 1 year review of the Nokia 8.3 5G phone and telling you if it's actually worth the pros of this phone, the cons of this phone so far since I've been using it. So the first thing I would like to say that I love so much about this phone is the battery life. The battery of this phone lasts very, very well. Let's say I charged my phone in the morning and I went out. Coming back, I would still have this phone full. Let's say I probably just used it for routine things like answering phone calls, making calls, taking pictures. The battery of this phone is going to still be full. But if it's my Samsung S8 or S9 phone, I definitely have to find a medium in which I would charge the phone, because the battery is going to get drained in less than 1 hour or 2 hours of not even using the phone. The battery gets drained. But this particular phone here, if you don't leave the phone on, let's say like the camera on, or if the phone is just locked like this, the battery is not going to be drained. The battery lasts, and it charges very fast. If I was to charge this phone in like 30 minutes, it's definitely going to be full. Let's say the battery was at 0% and I plug this phone in like 30-45 minutes, the phone is going to be full. So it charges very fast, which is another thing I like very much about this phone. So another thing I love again about this phone is the quality of the back camera. When you film videos with this back camera, make sure you use lights. When you use like ring lights, let's say softbox lights, you're going to love the quality of the video this phone gives you. So for the past 1 year of using this phone, I've actually loved the quality of the video, like the video quality of the phone. Like the video quality is very impressive. Like just look at this. The quality of the video it's really nice. I really love how it looks. So video quality very impressive. That's for the back camera. Another thing I love so much about this phone is the size of the memory. Like the size, it has 128 gig size. Like that's the size of the space available on this phone, which is something that is very, very impressive, because for somebody who's always filming videos, editing videos, taking pictures, you would need a device that has a large memory space. And it also has, I can also use a memory card, but that's just something I haven't invested in getting for this phone. And it even has space for 2 SIM cards. So if you're somebody who has 2 SIM cards and you don't want to have to buy another phone, you can just put your 2 SIM cards in this phone and just work with it, which is another plus that I like about this phone. And when I use this phone to film my YouTube videos, I don't even bother using the mic. I've not invested in getting the mic. So when I film my videos and I just put this phone away, like I put the phone somewhere here while I'm filming and while I'm back here, it's able to pick all of my voice, and it picks my voice well. It really catches the audio well, and I'm loud enough and audible for the person watching my videos to actually hear what I'm saying. And another thing I like about this phone is the speaker. When I play music on this phone, like, it's very loud. When I compare the audio to that of this Samsung S8 Plus, the Nokia audio is so much better. Like, it's louder, which is one thing I also love about this phone. And also you can choose to record a phone conversation. If somebody calls you, and let's say the person is probably somebody that doesn't really have integrity, and you want to record a call, you can record the call on your Nokia 8.3 5G phone, which is also another plus. So what do I dislike about this phone? The number one thing I've actually disliked from the onset about this phone is the fact that the phone is heavy. It is not a lightweight phone. Like, it's very heavy. When you hold it, definitely you know you're holding something. It's a very heavy phone. Another thing I don't like about this phone is the front camera. If you were to use the front camera without let's say lights in front of you, like how I have ring lights right now, the quality of your picture will not be so beautiful. So when you're using the front camera to probably take pictures, you want to make sure that you're using light. If it's under natural light, you might just not like the way the picture looks. So please make sure you have like light, like a ring light, maybe softbox light, so you can actually take the best quality pictures. I'm going to put these pictures that I'm taking right now with the front camera on this video. Then I'll also take a picture with my back camera, so you guys get to see the difference between how the front camera works and the back camera works. I don't even know if it's even snapping here. I think it is. So you just notice that the front camera is not very sharp. It's not very sharp. But the back camera is very, like, it's more glossy. It looks very, like, it's really nice. But the front camera, it doesn't really give you that nice popping look you want. And it's usually worse when it's under natural light. So if you're gonna take pictures with your front camera while you're using a Nokia phone, please make sure you're using, like, you know, ring lights or box lights and all of that. You will need to take some time. You need a while to get used to, like, you know, navigating through the phone. Like, it was just a bit complicated because the interface is similar to, I think, that of an iPhone. So if you're not used to, let's say, an iPhone, getting to use this Nokia phone might be a bit tricky. So it was difficult for me to actually navigate the phone when I first got it. And another thing, I think if this phone was more affordable, I think more people would actually be buying it. So if they can actually work on a price point, I think people would like it so much more. But generally, do I recommend this Nokia phone? Most definitely. You can see the phone still looks really nice. It still looks very clean. My screen hasn't broken. I have a little scratch here. But aside from that, the outer body of the phone looks nice. You can see how it looks. I still use this. I think there was a time the phone fell down and the back camera stuff here cracked up a bit. So I think this stuff here is a bit fragile. But aside from that, it doesn't affect the quality of my video. So it's definitely not a problem. It's definitely not a problem. But yeah, I still use the pouch, the phone that came with the phone. I still use it. So do I recommend you buy the Nokia 8.3 5G phone? Most definitely. If you are, and think about it, like, the price of this phone is actually half the price of an iPhone. So it's still affordable. Even if I say it's expensive, it's still affordable. And of course, the earpiece and the charger, the earpiece that came with this Nokia phone, like, I absolutely love it. I'm still using that earpiece after 1 year. Like, you would love the earpiece very much. So I hope this video helps you in making a decision on if you want to get the Nokia 8.3 5G phone. Yeah, and Nokia, please holla at me. Send me one of your devices. Let me review it. Let me get you people who are gonna buy your phones. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value out of it, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Share with your friends who are also going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.